Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I actually build out some screens for my clients when I'm branding some StreamYard backgrounds and everything. So I'm just going to build one for my brand, graphics for StreamYard, and I will show you how I do these. So let's get started. So I do these in Photoshop, so I'm basically already have my boxes laid out, which is my secret sauce. So I will basically start to build a background here, guys. So I will probably build this gradient. So I'll take, we cancel this, move this a little bit. So I'll take my gradient picker, pick up one of those. Actually, cancel that out. Go here, pick that, and then we'll pick this one, which we'll do a little bit darker, just to make a nice gradient for the background. Put the background gradient on, go boom, 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 boom. You can see here, I have some cool like background elements already up in here, which is cool. You can see. So let me pull this. I just do it very lightly. Yeah, that looks cool. So what I'll do is I'll mess with my logo a little bit because I like it. I'll probably do it as a white. Yep, make it pop a little bit. So there's that. So that's how I do that. And I'm going to customize my boxes here. Probably stroke it a different color. Let's do it as this. And then we can probably either lighten it or darken it. I kind of like it a little lighter. Like that. And then we can do my other box. My other stroke here. I will probably do white just to go with my colors here. And it was cool. So let's do this. Drop shadow that a little bit. Add a little drop shadow in there. And basically I can do anything I really want with this. So I can put some social media icons down in here, stuff like that. For the purposes of this, I will probably leave it like that. So what I'll do is, if I ever wanted to do any other ones, I can throw my text on here, mess with my design a little bit here. Um, I'll switch my font a little bit down because it's huge. Move it over. I don't like it, so I'll bump it up a little bit more. A little down, a little more. Boom, 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 boom. I will add some style into that. Come on, double click. There we go. I don't like that, so I'm going to do normal. I don't like it that wide. This one a little bit. There we go. Um, so yeah, I pretty much can use this as is now for our branding experience. Um, you can add anything you really want in here. So I'm gonna do file, save as. We'll do stream right here. We'll do this. We'll do stream graphics, stream background. Do it as a Photoshop file myself. And then what we'll do is do file save as. We'll do JPEG here. And we'll pop that in. And then watch. I'm actually going to bring this sucker in to the studio. And you guys will witness this firsthand on my screen. And bam, there we go. You can see how I just basically branded this whole thing in less than 5 minutes. Again, I could throw my social media links up here with some icons, some other cool stuff. But having a cool design doesn't take long, and it can really enhance your presentation. I suggest doing this for webinars, PowerPoints, anything. So the sky's the limit on this, guys. So take care. Hopefully you get a little bit of inspiration for this and go and design your own. All right.